So here is the bow that we are going to make for the hat. So I did 28 chain stitches, and then I did 4 rows of single, I mean uh, half double crochet in every stitch. And then here I am at the end of the 5th row. The first row is just chain, the other rows are half double crochets. You can do more rows, the bow will become fatter, so it's up to you, but I'm just gonna do a slip stitch and chain 1, and I'm just gonna leave a lot of thread. A lot means a lot of thread. About a 1.5 of thread. I guess this much thread I have, so I just take it off. This is what I have now. This is a starting tail that we started the chain with, and this one I'm just gonna take it and just pull this really tight around. So like this. With the velvet thread you can't really go very tight, because it might break. It's way too soft and I always get scared that it will break on me, so I'm just trying as many, and if you like it, then that's all you need to do. All you need to do now is thread your yarn needle, and then try to put this under some of the wraps that you made, and one more time, and then just like a knot, one more time. Okay, this is what we have so far, and this side is prettier than this, so I'm just gonna keep this side as my main side. Still I haven't snipped this off yet. We will take our hat, and this is where we joined, so I'm just gonna keep the bow on top of this single crochet stitch, and then I'm just gonna come here and wrap around the single crochet ones and just kind of go in between like a knot. And so I have this much. How much thread I have? Let me see. Okay. Yeah, there you go. So I'm just gonna weave this inside so that I can attach this bow really tightly. Same time I remember that I need to be gentle, because as you know, this is the velvet, so I'm just gonna pull this tightly as much as I can, and then come around, make a knot with the short end that we made a double knot, and then I'm gonna thread it into my yarn needle. We just need to secure this bow with our hat. So come back here. Do a couple of half-inch knots, or you can just weave back and forth. There you go. And the other tail. Just making sure that the bow won't come off. So here you go. Just tying a couple more knots here. You can weave in. It's just me who thinks that knots are secure than weaving. So snip off the excess, and there you go, a pretty hat for a baby 0 to 3 months old. And this is it. This is the back, this is the front, and we have a pretty bow in the front. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.